In this video, let us discuss about corrosion penetration ratio, that is CPR. We know when the metal is exposed to corrosive media, then the destruction of metal will takes place, or the deterioration of a metal will takes place, right? So the speed of this destruction of metal or the deterioration of a metal when it exposed to corrosive environment is known as corrosion penetration rate, that is CPR. For example, consider this as one metal. When this metal gets corroded, for example, if this much region is corroded, then the measurement of this thickness is nothing but corrosion penetration rate. So, the corrosion penetration rate is nothing but for 1 year, how much reduction in the thickness of the metal will takes place, that measurement is nothing but corrosion penetration rate. And the unit of corrosion penetration rate is in millimeter per year or me's per year, that is MMY or MPY. Hence, corrosion penetration rate is calculated by using this formula, that is CPR is equal to K into W divided by D into A into T, where K is a constant. If we want to calculate CPR value in for MMY, then the K value is 87.6. If we want to calculate CPR value for MPY, then the K value is 534. And W is total weight lost by the metal, and its unit is in milligram for both MMY as well as MPY. D is density of the metal, and its unit is gram per centimeter square for both MMY as well as MPY. A is surface area of the exposed metal, which is expressed in centimeter square for MMY and inch square for MPY. T is time taken for the loss of metal, which is indicated in hours for both MMY as well as MPY. So in this table, we can see that only two parameters have different units. One is K and another one is A, that is surface area of the exposed metal. And the rest all parameters have same unit for both MMY as well as MPY. Let us solve some numerical problem. First problem, a sheet of carbon steel of 1 meter wide by 3 meter long has lost 40 grams due to corrosion over 120 days. Calculate corrosion penetration rate. In bracket they have given the carbon steel density is equal to 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Let us see how to solve this problem. First, let us draw a table which includes parameters and the data required for MMY as well as MPY. So, for the calculation of CPR, the CPR formula is K into W divided by D into A into T. So, first we have to see the value of K. The value of K is constant. For MMY, the value of K is 87.6, and for MPY, the value of K is 534. And in this problem, the value of weight loss is 40 gram. But we want the W value in milligram. How to convert gram into milligram? By multiplying 1000. So 40 gram into 1000 is nothing but 40,000 milligram. So for MPY, the value is same, because for MPY also the W value is in milligram. Then in this problem, density of the carbon steel is 7.8 gram per cm cube for MMY as well as MPY. Then area A. A is nothing but 1 meter wide by 3 meter long. That means 1 meter into 3 meter. But we want A value in centimeter square. How to convert meter into centimeter? 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. Then 3 meter is nothing but 300 centimeter. So 100 into 300, that is 30,000 centimeter square for MMY. Then for MPY, we want A value in inch square. How to convert centimeter square into inch square? Remember, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square is nothing but 1 divided by 2.54 into 2.54 inches square. So 1 centimeter square is nothing but this much. Then 30,000 centimeter square is nothing but 30,000 divided by 2.54 into 2.54. So the answer is 4,650 inches square. Then t value is, in this problem, the t value is 120 days, but we want the t value in hours. So we have to multiply the days with 24. Why? Because this for one day it is 24 hours. Hence we have to multiply these days with 24. And the answer is 2,880 hours. For MPY also the answer is same, because here also we need a t value in hours only. So finally, the corrosion penetration rate CPR is calculated by using K into W divided by D into A into T. Don't forget to write this formula and substitute all these values. Here the K value is 87.6, then W value is 40,000, D value is 7.8, A value is 30,000 into 2,880, and the answer is 0.005199 mm per Y. Then for MPY, the formula is same, and only the difference is K and A value. K value is 534, W value is same, then D value is same, A value is 4,650, and this T value is also same. So by calculating this, we get the answer is 0.2044 MPY. Similarly, let us solve another numerical problem, that is a thick steel sheet of area 400 centimeters square is exposed to air near the ocean. After a 1 year period, it was found to experience a weight loss 375 gram due to corrosion. If the density of the brass is 7.9 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the corrosion penetration rate in MPY and MMY. And in bracket the given K value is equal to 534 in MPY and 87.6 in MMY. So to solve this problem, here also we have to draw a table which includes parameters and the data required for MMY and MPY. In this problem, the K value is 87.6 for MMY and 534 for MPY. Then weight loss value is 375 grams. Here also we have to convert gram into milligram. For that we have to multiply this 375 by 1000, and the answer is 3,75,000. The same answer is for MPY also. Then D values, that is density of the brass, is 7.9 gram per centimeter cube. That is same for MMY as well as MPY. Then area. In this problem, area is 400 centimeters square. For MMY, we want the result in centimeter square only. So we have to write as it is. But for MPY, we want the result in inch square. So what we have to do? In the previous problem only we saw 1 inch is nothing but 2.54 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is nothing but 1 divided by 2.54 into 2.54 inches square. Then 400 centimeters square is nothing but 400 divided by 2.54 into 2.54 inches square. Its answer is 62 inches square. Then time is, here in this problem the time is 1 year. So 1 year is nothing but 365 days. We want the result in hours, so we have to multiply by 24. So the answer is 8,760 hours. The same answer is for MPY also. So finally, the CPR formula is K into W divided by D into A into T. Substitute all these values, that is K value, W value, D, A and T value, and the final answer is 1.1867 mm per Y. Then for MPY, the formula is same, only the difference is K and A value. Here the K value is 534 and A value is 62 inch square. So by multiplying all these value, we get the value is 46.67 MPY.